I am just going to jump right into it. So you will go onto your notes and you click onto the plus sign at the top right and press PDF, and then click download, and you would click your Bible that you have downloaded. Done. This is how it would look without the settings that I'm going to show you. I'm just going to delete that. I've edited this cover. It's not perfect, but for now it will do, and I can link it below. But if you're interested, you can use that, or you can use your own cover. Okay, and then this is obviously just the book index and contents, and there you can see I've also highlighted, and also you can zoom in. As you can see, I've highlighted the different genres and I've color coded every single genre, and I love that. There is so many exciting things about this, but I want to show you, like, look how sleek this is. So fun to just do this. I love it. Anyway, this is Genesis, and as you can see, I have done a few things over here, and it's so fun. You can literally draw and rub out, whereas in a paper Bible it's very difficult, as you know. Once you highlight, you can't rub it out unless there is some magical highlight. Either way, it just saves like so much time, and honestly, it's the best thing ever. I love having my natural paper Bible, and I have a few of them, but digital is just on the go. I can just take it out at a coffee shop and no one is going to see all my mess of different highlights and colors and paper all over the table. It's just one tablet or one phone, one device, whatever. It's perfect. So I love that, and I can't wait to go to a coffee shop eventually and do this journaling. And yeah, so to make your pages have 2 pages like this, like an actual Bible, you can press these 3 dots in the right corner, and then you can click page settings, and this at the top here will show you if you wanted to have it like going long ways, which is nice if you turn your device vertical. And you can also have it, you can also have it going horizontal. So yeah, horizontal. And then you can make it horizontal with 2 pages. And so that is what I have for mine. And then you can change your color. Like, how cool is that? So there's colors for the guys, or even some girls like this color, you know. There's colors for everyone. I really like this. Is it this one that I had? I don't know. I think it was this one. No, that's very pink. I love this. Kind of like a soothing, deep pink. And as you can tell, I love colors, and this is why journaling, biblical journaling, is like so therapeutic. It's so fun. You click the 3 dots on the right corner, and you can get this option that says edit cover. Click that, and there we go. You can choose your color of the cover, and I love that. Okay, I really like this one. It looks like an actual journal. And then you can literally change the name. So I'll say here Kate's Bible. And I love that so much. You can change your icon to anything. This is a church symbol that's really cute. I kind of like the Bible symbol, and you can take it off. You don't even have to have any Bible cover at all. Click this little Bible icon over here. It goes straight to the unedited version, if that makes sense, where I can't edit anything, so it's pretty much locked in, and I won't be able to, like, once I'm like touching the screen, it won't just suddenly bring up the drawing side of things. Okay, and then I also want to show you the Bible in 1 year above here. So it is on every single page, as you can see. It's on every single page, and whether you've downloaded it or not, I think it still has it. So that's cool. So Bible in 1 year, I will just click it, and now I'm going to click which kind of pen I want, what kind of size I want the pen, the opacity, and the color. I mean, look at all the different colors, the spectrum of the color. It's really awesome. I kind of liked that color. And so yeah, you can color in the box once you have completed it, or you can tick it off. I think that's really awesome. You can do that. You can go back and you can rub out. You can highlight and you can change the color of the highlights. Okay, now say I want to go back to the beginning of the Bible. It's so simple. You just click this paper that was next to the Bible on the right hand corner. So you'll click this paper, which is called Page Sorter. And here are all the pages of the Bible. As you can see, it goes all the way up to 1148, and you can literally bookmark anything. You can unbookmark, you can press there and you'll see all your bookmarks. You just click the search button, and I'm going to search for page 1, and there we go. I'm back to page 1, and now I want to click Psalms. Actually, yeah, I want to click Psalms 91. So all I have to do is literally press Psalms and it takes me straight there. Did you see that? That's insane. I was so excited when I saw that. Okay, so go straight onto Psalms, and now I'm going to press 91. And there we go. Open to Psalm 91 straight away. I've already done some doodles here, but it's honestly so fun. Like, I just can't get over it. Here I'm on Genesis. I'm going to press Genesis 36 and it takes me right there. Literally, it is amazing. Chapter 36. You see this? It's so fast, so convenient. If you're in a church service, you can click and find the things so quickly. I know some people know their Bible off by heart, and that's great to know where the places are in the Bible. But for those who love digital art and who want to color and not bring all their stationery, it's just the best blessing ever. Once you've clicked the link in my description, you will see this pop up, and there's like a whole bunch of information showing you how to doodle and all of that good stuff. But you can just go to download right here, click that, and you will see all this information, and these are the apps that you can open the notes in. Open your Bible in. So these are all the different notes that you can open your Bible in. And you will go down here and see 3 options. Right here I'm going to show you how you can download the 1-year reading plan. You just click it, put your email in, press submit, and it will come up, and then it will go into your downloads right over here, and that's that. Even for the Bible, if you want to download the Bible as well, you click here, press your email address, press submit, and obviously go to download. You will probably want to press the downloads just to see if it has downloaded, but other than that, once you click out of here and you go straight into your notes, all you have to do is, like I explained, is open a new document and click plan, and obviously just add your PDF at the top here. Okay, so it's very simple. So say I'm studying Psalm 91. I think cap locks really helps. Okay, it really helps. So I'm studying Psalm 91. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here and say I'm studying this. Now I want to see a different version or translation of Psalm 91 verse. He shall cover thee with his feathers, and under his wings shall thou trust. Now I'm like, I don't really understand though, thou, thee, whatever. So I want to see a different version, but I don't want to download a whole different Bible. All you have to do is press Dex mode on if you have a Samsung, or if you have a phone, I'm sure there's an alternative. I'm going back to Psalm 91 because it exited. Another thing, if you exit your app by mistake, it keeps all your work. Like this, I remember I didn't even save this. Like I just exited and it saved. And I also want to show you how I uploaded this image, because I could pretty much delete it right now, but I will get to that afterwards. I just want to actually bring that back. So now I'm going to split my screen. Because it's on Dex mode, I'm just splitting it. And this is how simple it is. I can still zoom in here and I can go onto Bible Hub. My genre, which is obviously Psalms 91, which is down here. You can also type it in. This is all the versions, guys. Literally, how amazing is this? I hate the adverts, I'm worried. Okay, so it shows you all the translations. It has NIV, which is new. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. There's New Living Translation, English Standard, King James. You can insert pretty much anything onto your Bible by pressing the plus sign and then pressing image and gather and insert a picture. Now you want to hold it down and drag it to wherever you want it to be. You can hold and drag, and then you can use the anchor points to change the size. And now say you want to draw over it and you don't want it to like move around here, I can draw over it like that. You can change the size of my pen. Love it. I'm going to erase all that. I'm just giving examples here. But I literally love this so much, guys. It's so cool. I've been wanting this for so long, and I couldn't gatekeep. I could not gatekeep this. Like, it would have been so wrong of me to gatekeep this, even if it helps one person. Like, it's free. So done, dusted. I'm glad I could share this with you. I'm not even kidding when I tell you, if you have got to the end of this video, thank you so much. I just want to say that I have been trying to do this video for the last 3 weeks, and literally every day something has been getting in the way of it. I will start recording and there was this lawnmower, there was like a leaf blower outside, then there was a pressure water machine. Like, I'm not even kidding when I tell you that it was every little thing that you can think of. Every time you are trying to do something good in life that will better people, especially on their walk with God, you have to stay on God, stay strong. And it was a lot of prayer. Honestly, it was very frustrating at first because I didn't pray, and then I prayed and I was like, no, I'm getting this out there. I don't care how I feel, what's going on, what's gonna get in the way, I'm doing it. And I managed to get through it. I'm so grateful. I cannot believe that this all recorded without any problems. Okay, bye, and I hope that you enjoy the Bible. Hopefully I get more interesting things like this in the future to share. Love you lots. Bye, guys.